this is the image formed by the convex. Now we'll be reading about convex lenses. As in case of concave lens, what we read, at any of the position the object will be placed, image will be formed in the same manner. It will be diminished, which is smaller in size, and it will be virtual, that is on the lens. Fine. So in that case, any of the placement of the object at any of the point, it doesn't change the image. But in case of convex lens, when we read about, in case of convex lens, there are different images formed when the object is placed at different positions. Now this is the first one that I am discussing. When the object is between lens and focus. So when the object is between lens and focus, what happens? Now see, I am talking about object. This is the object. This can be a candle. This is the lens, the center point, and the focus. When the object is between these 2 points, then how the image is formed. Now see, I told that we will be taking one line, that light ray coming, and this can be the imaginary center that we take. So that can be the imaginary center, and one line that comes and then bent from here and then passes from the focus. Focus means where the light rays are converging. The other line that we always have to consider is that straight away passes from the center of the lens. That is the center of the lens. So these are the 2 light rays. You have to remember, these 2 light rays only will make for the ray diagram. One that is coming and bending from here and passing from the focus, other straight away coming from here. It will straight away come from here and pass from the center. So these are the 2 lines that I am talking about. This is the one line, this is the second line that we talked about. So this is passing from the center, this is bending from the middle of the lens, and then meeting or passing from the focus. So ये जो है, these points you have to already make it in the diagram. These, see, दोनों तरफ जो है F बने हुए हैं similar distance के, दोनों तरफ 2F बने हुए हैं. So in this case what happens, when these light rays are, we are considering 2 light rays, when these light rays are there, they are parallel. They are not meeting any of the point. So इस case में हम क्या करेंगे, we will be extending it on the other direction. And with the extension we get a point where it is meeting, and see, wherever the point is meeting, हमने वहीं पर ही image बनानी होती है. We have to make the image there only. So here the image is formed. So this is shown and represented by the dotted line. So this means image, and it is on the same side. So what does it shows? When the object is placed closer, nearer to the lens, image is formed on the lens के ऊपर बनेगी, and it is bigger in size. It will be bigger in size. So see, image is on this side on the lens, and it is bigger in size. So if we consider, if we say that how is the nature of the image formed in this case when the object is nearer, we will say it will be, now first of all, सीधी, straight, it will be upright. Upright is first of the nature, right? And then it will be magnified, large. So when we talk, large image is formed. This is another nature, and it is on the lens. On the lens, that is important. So these are the points that we talked about. One is upright, next is large, and next is on the lens. It is formed in this position when the object is nearer to the lens.